Understanding focus meditation.
Focus meditation is a technique that involves concentrating on a single object, thought, or sensation. Its purpose is to train the mind to improve attention and clarity. While the concept seems simple, many people encounter common mistakes that hinder progress. Recognizing these obstacles is the first step to making your practice more effective and enjoyable.
Mistake 1. Getting frustrated by wandering thoughts.
It's normal for your mind to wander during meditation. Frustration often arises when you expect perfect concentration right away. Instead, gently guide your attention back to your chosen focus each time you notice it slipping. Over time, this process strengthens your ability to concentrate without self-judgment.
Mistake 2. Forcing concentration.
Trying too hard to control your thoughts can create tension and make meditation feel stressful. Effective focus meditation is about relaxed attention, not forceful effort. Allow your attention to rest lightly on your focus point and bring it back with patience when it drifts.
Mistake 3. Ignoring physical comfort.
Physical discomfort can quickly break your concentration. Choose a comfortable and stable posture, whether sitting or lying down, to avoid unnecessary distractions. If you notice discomfort during your session, adjust your position mindfully and return to your focus.
Mistake 4. Expecting quick results.
Many people give up on meditation because they don't see improvements immediately. Lasting concentration takes regular practice. Remember, meditation is a gradual process. Celebrate small gains and trust that your ability to focus will strengthen over time.
Making meditation work for you.
Meditation doesn't have to be perfect to be beneficial. Approach each session with curiosity and kindness toward yourself. By recognizing common mistakes and gently correcting them, you'll create space for greater focus, patience, and mental clarity in daily life.